today we will do problems using algebra of matrices. Okay, so this is problem you will see. What the problem? If A is a diagonal matrix given by a diagonal element this, B is a diagonal matrix, the diagonal elements are this, and C is a diagonal matrix and the diagonal elements are this. Find B minus A minus C. Solution. A is equal to what? Tell me. 2, 0, 0, 0 minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 9. And B is equal to minus 3, 0, 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 0, minus 14. And C equal to what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3. Okay, so what you have to find out? B minus A minus C. So always in the matrix algebra, you have to do matrix by matrix. Okay, you can't add all the three in a one shot. Okay, always it's better to do only part by part. So you can see either you can take these two first. Okay, or these two first. And then these two. So which one you want to take? A and C. Why not B and A? Okay, so let us take B and A. Okay, so B minus A. What is B minus A? Tell me. I guess there's a rule. Okay, normal algebra rule I know this work here. Anyway, it doesn't matter. For addition it is okay. Minus 3, 0, 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 0, minus 14. Minus A. A is what? 2, 0, 0, 0, minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 9. And what you will do, element by element you have to subtract. Right? B minus A, that means minus 3 minus 2, that makes it minus 5. Rest of all elements are 0, so subtraction of addition of two diagonal matrices will again make it diagonal only. Okay? So 7 minus of minus 5, so that is 12. Correct? Am I right? And 0, 0, minus 14, minus 9, how much?
Minus 23.
23. So this is B minus C, correct? So then we have to find out. So I am taking B minus A minus B minus A and then minus C. That's what you have to find out, right? What is B minus A? We just got it. Minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 12, 0, 0, 0, minus 23 minus, what is C? 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3. So this should be simple, right? So minus 5 minus 1, that makes it minus 6, 0, 0. The rest of elements are 0, 12, 0 because 0 is there. So this is 0, 0, 0, minus 23, minus 3.
Minus 26.
Minus 26. Okay, so that should be the answer. Okay, let us do this problem. If A is, what is the order of this matrix? 2 by 3. A is matrix given by this matrix, B and C. Find x such that 3A minus 2B plus 4x equal to 5C. How to get a solution? Because you know the matrix you can always, matrix additions you can use like typical algebra. You can take right hand side to left hand side, left hand side right side. Only for multiplication you have to be careful. Because A into B is not B into A. Additions are all okay. Okay, so solution. What is solution? So we have given what? 3A minus 2B plus 4x equal to 5C. See, there are many ways you can do it. For example, what happened? You can take these two elements that side and then write x is equal to 1 by 4 of that. You can do that way. Otherwise, alternative because you can assume the matrix. What should be the order of matrix? They all has to be same. X also has to be 2 by 3, right? You can write as x11, x12, x13, x21, x22, x23. Then use it. Then you will get some set of equations, correct? That by that way also you can solve it. Okay, so but that is lengthy. More easier is since matrix addition typically behave like our normal number addition, so we can use this. And scalar multiplication also, because scalar multiplication 3 into A, all the elements of A should be multiplied by 3. So that's more easier. So we will use that way. So therefore, 4x equal to, capital X equal to 5c. I am taking here this one, minus 3a plus 2b. Correct? So, and your x is equal to 1 by 4 times 5c minus 3a plus 2b. Correct? That's what your x is. And now you do this matrix algebra. Okay, so let us try to find out. I always told you 2 matrices only you have to do. You don't do all the matrices. Okay, so if you want to take, you want to take minus 3a plus 2b or either 5c minus 3b. So let us take this first. Okay, otherwise you have to multiply by minus 3 with a. So easy. So we will take this 2 first. Okay, so 5c minus 3a. How you want to do the other way? Okay, if you want to do the other way, what happened? You have to write minus 3a plus 2b should be equal to minus 3a. So the a should be multiplied with minus 3. So what it will be? Tell me. When you multiply with minus 3, this is going to be minus 6, minus 9, 3, minus 12, minus 21, minus 15. Okay, and then plus 2 times b. b into 2. All elements has to be multiplied by 2, right? So 2, 6, 4,
8, 12, minus 2.
Okay, I will tell you, this is simpler.
Minus 4.
Minus 4, the element will want you to write, right?
Minus 3.
Minus 3, 7,
Minus 4.
minus 4,
Minus 9.
minus 9, oh sorry, minus 17, right? Minus 17. Okay, so this is what you got, minus 1. Now what you have to do, you have to 5c minus this one, correct? So that will be 5c minus 3a plus 2b. This we already found out, right? So only you have to write 5c. 5c and then you have to add up. Remember that because you already taken the minus 3 here. So we have to add up. Don't put minus of this. Okay. So if you are getting that confusion, so now we'll take this minus 1. Okay, take this positive one, then go for it. So what is 5c? C is what? 5 times of c. Tell me. 5
minus 5,
3
30,
0. 0, 10,
minus 25.
minus 25 and minus 3a plus b is this. So we have to add this. So remember this can be a, one can do a mistake. So minus 4, minus 3, 7, minus 4, minus 9, minus 17. Tell me what its value is. This is 1.
Minus 8, 37, minus 4, 1,
1.
minus 42.
Okay, so this is what? This is your, we got it. So this is the square bracket terms. So therefore the matrix X is equal to 1 by 4 times, I don't know, should you want to open it or not? 1 minus 8, 30, sorry, you want to multiply as layer inside, 1 by 4 you can do it. Otherwise, I don't know. What is the minus 40? Okay? So that's all the answer is. Yeah, your book they have multiplied it inside. Okay? So then you can multiply. Therefore x is equal to what? 1 by 4 minus 2, 37 by 4 minus 1, 1 by 4. What will be this much?
21.
It won't go.
21 by 21 by 2.
How 21? 21 by 2. Minus 21 by 2. Correct? Let us do this problem. This is also simple one. If you given a matrix 2x plus 1 minus 1 3 4y plus another matrix 2 by 2 matrix, that is minus 1 6 3 0 if this is equal to 4, 5, 6 and 12, find x and y. This is actually very simple. Okay. So basically what you have to do, okay, the solution is, let us take LHS. What will be LHS? Tell me, you have to just add them both, right? LHS equal to what? 2x plus 1 minus 1, that will be 2x. Minus 1? 5. Okay, minus 1. So 3, 6, 4, 1. Okay, and RHS is what? 4, 5, 6 and 12. So comparing these two, they both are equal. 2, therefore 2x equal to 4 and therefore x is equal to 2, right? And 4y equal to 12, therefore x is y equal to 3. Am I right? So that's what y equal to 3, and that's what the answer is. So that is a problem given. We will not do it. It's very simple. Okay, what they given is they given A, B, and C. Given any three matrices, you have to prove A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. This is associative property. Okay, this is simple. First, what you do, it give you any three matrices are given. A, B, C will be given. First, you find out A plus B, and the final sum of the matrix you got, that multiply add with C. Okay, so you got one matrix. Similarly, first you add B and C, and then you add with A. Okay, so that's going to be one and the same. Okay, this is associative. In fact, we are all doing the algebra matrix problem. What we are doing, we are actually using the associative property. That's why I was saying, let me do this first, start this first, because for matrices it's one and the same. Okay, so we will do some other problems. Fine. So let us do this problem. Solve the following equations for x and y. Solve the following equations for x and y. What are they given? 3x minus y equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 and x minus 3y equal to 0 minus 1 0 minus 1. Again, this is also simple. Okay, not tough. Till then you are working with this scalar multiple of matrices and addition or subtraction matrices, you can actually perform like a simple algebra, simple your linear equations. What you are doing, na? You can treat as a linear equations in two variables. So we can see here. So let us see. 3x minus y, x minus 3y. So we have to use, so if I multiply, let me call this equation as 1. Let me write it down. 3x minus y equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 and x minus 3y equal to 0 minus 1 0 minus 1, right? Let me call this first equation as 1 and the second equation as 2. So if I, you know that way, if I multiply this with 3 and if I subtract, that's what we call the method elimination, right? Yeah, we will try to use the elimination method, what you learned in your 10th standard. We are going to apply it only for the matrices. Okay, so what happened? So let me 3 into 2 equation. What this will be? So 3 means you have to multiply everywhere. Okay, remember that. So this is going to be 3x minus 9y equal to, here also all will multiply by 3. Also, no? So 0, 0, minus 3, minus 3. Let me call it as equation number 3. Now if I add 1 minus 3, what it will give me? 3x minus 3x, 0, minus y, minus of minus 9y, right? That will be 8y. Okay, 8y equal to, and we are subtracting these two. 1, though this is 1 minus 0, 1. Minus 1 minus 3,
2.
minus 2, na?
Minus 1.
Minus 1 minus of minus 3.
That is plus 2.
Plus 2.
Plus 1.
What I said?
You said
Minus 1. Oh no, 1, yeah, correct. Oh, 2, correct?
it should be 1.
Minus 1,
Correct.
minus 1 plus 3, na? So that will be 2, right? Yeah. So minus 1 minus 0, that is minus 1. 1 minus of minus 3, that is 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Okay, so therefore, oh yeah, so see, remember there's the one thing we should never use for matrices, small alphabet. Matrices are always represent the capital alphabets. Okay, you will see later on classes. So small alphabet will be written only for row matrix or column matrix. They are the vectors. You remember the first lecture I started with the vectors. Okay, so matrix are called as operators. Okay, so therefore y equal to 1 by 8, right? 1 by 8, this will be 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 and what is this? 1 by 2. Okay? So this is your matrix y, and then you have to solve for once if you know y, all you have to do is you can substitute any of these equations. Okay, or alternately you can do the same elimination method. Correct? So what let us do the elimination method. Na? So what it will be? 3 into 1. What it will give me?
9x.
9x minus 3y equal to, again you are multiplying by 3. So this will be 3 minus 3 minus 3, 3. Correct? So this I am going to multiply. So let me call this as 4. 4 I am going to subtract with 2. Am I right? 4 minus 2. What it will be? So 9x minus x. That will be 8x. Correct? Minus 3y minus of minus 3y plus 3y, that is 0. So now this will be equal to this and this, right? So 3 minus 0, that makes it 3. Minus 3 minus of minus 1. That is minus 3 plus 1 become minus 2. This is minus 3 minus 0. So this is 3 minus of minus 1. 3 plus 1, that will be 4. Correct? So therefore, again you divide it. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 8 1 by 2. That's what your answer is. Okay? Okay. Let us do this problem. This is also a very simple problem. Okay. Simplify cos theta. This is your favorite trigonometry. Cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. You know this matrix is called as a rotation matrix. That's what you learn it later. Sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Simplify. What is simple? Multiply. What happens? Solution. This will be what? Cos square theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta cos square theta, and plus what this will be? Sin square theta minus sin theta cos theta sin theta cos theta sin square theta. So can you tell me the answer straight away? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is 1. This cancels off. 0. This also cancels off. 0. This will be 1. What is that? Identity matrix. Okay. Let us do this problem. This problem is interesting. If A equal to I 2i minus 3 and 2, you know what you mean of I, right? Iota. That is I is equal to root of minus 1. So you will see that we have complex numbers. At the time you will see For timing, let us accept what is it. And b equal to 2i I 2 minus 3, where I equal to root of minus 1. Okay. So what you want to say is, what you want to do is find a plus b and a minus b. Show that a plus b is singular. That's it. Is singular. Okay? And the question still follows. Is a minus b a singular? Probably when you write it down, you will get an answer. Justify your answer. Okay? So let us do this problem. So we have to find out a plus b and a minus b. So let us find a plus b. What is a plus b? Tell me. Just you have to add up these two, right? A plus b. So that will be I plus 2i, that makes 3i, correct? So don't worry about minus 1. What it means, what it says, root of minus 1, I is, right? Plus 2i means 2 into root of minus 1. You can always take root of minus 1 common and going to become 1 plus 2. So it's equal to 3 of root of 1. Root of, sorry, minus 1. Okay, that is equal to 3i. So you can perform the same way. What your so I is just like you have to remember I is the root of minus 1. You have to just take it, treat it as some 2a or 3a. What exactly we will see later on for the later chapters. So I plus 2i gives you 3i. 2i plus I gives you 3i. What about this? Minus 1. What about this? Minus 1. Will it be singular?
Yes.
Why?
Because 3i into minus 1 minus 3.
Don't have to do it. There is one property of determinant we found. If any two columns are identical in a determinant, that determinant will be 0. Okay. So, or you can do it and show. If you want to do it, to find, so you can do it. Determinant of a plus b equal to what? 3i minus 1 minus 1. Okay, and so this will be what? 3 minus 3i plus 3i equal to 0. Okay, you can show it, but because if you know determine if any two column or row, if they are identical, then the determinant is 0. That's one of the property of a determinant. Okay, so this will be 0. So then put up next one, a minus b. What will be a minus b? Therefore the matrix a plus b is singular. What is a minus b? Tell me. I minus 2i, that is minus I. 2i minus I, that will be I. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus 5. 2 minus 3, 5, correct? What about this? I'm sorry, this is a matrix, not determinant. Will this be singular?
Yes.
Why? Why? This is right? Really? Oh, well, already done it right? I minus 2i minus I, 2i minus I minus 3. Okay. Why this is singular? If you remember the determinant, so if I take determinant a minus b, what we are going to have, this will be minus I minus 5, correct? So this column, you can take one common factor outside, that is minus 1. Am I right? So if you remember, if you multiply in a determinant, any column, if there is a constant factor, you can write it as the constant factor times the determinant. Okay, what I was saying is something like, if we did some problem also, 2, 4, 3, 5. Okay, so here 2 is common, right? This should be equal to 2 times 1, 2, 3, 5. We have proven it. Okay, we have proved it also. Go to the earlier class and check it. Huh? So this will be, so I can take minus 1 times I5. Will that be 0? Okay, so this is also singular. Why it is singular? Because you have taken, because this is a scalar multiple of a determinant over not scalar multiple, but a constant multiple of one of the column. So if I take a minus 1 outside, this is going to become both the columns will be equal, and therefore A minus B is also singular, and justification is this. Whatever I said, you write it out. Let us do this problem. If 2A plus B, 3A minus B is this matrix. If this is equal to 2, 3, 4 minus 1, find A, B, C and D. This is simple because you will equate element by element, right? So solution. So this element 2A plus B equal to 2, right? 3A minus B equal to 3. So let me call 1, 2. We can go with elimination because the B itself will cancel if I add up. Okay. Therefore 5A, because 2A plus 3A equal to 5A equal to 5. Therefore A equal to 1. So if you substitute this in 1, so therefore 1 becomes 2A, na? So 2A means 2. 2 plus B equal to 2, and this gives B is equal to 0. We got it. So A and B, we got it. Second one, C plus D equal to 4. C plus 2D. 4. This is third equation. 2C minus 4. 2C minus D. Am I right? That's equal to minus 1. That is 4. Again, we will go for elimination. So we will try to eliminate what? C. So we will multiply 3 with 2. 2 into 3 will give me what? 2C plus 4.
No, 4.
This one, na? 4D equal to 8. This will be 5. So I am going to 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. That means 2C minus 2C, that is 0. 4D minus of minus D, that is plus D. 4D plus D, that equal to 5D, will be 8 minus of minus 1. That is 8 plus 1, that is 9. Therefore D is equal to 9 by 5. We got D also. And now put the D anywhere else, wherever you want to put. You want to put it in 4. Therefore 4 becomes, what 4 says? 2C equal to minus 1 plus D. Or 2C equal to minus 1. D is what? 9 by 5. Okay. So this will be what? Minus 5 plus 9, right?
4 by 5.
4 by 5. 2C is equal to. Therefore, C is equal to what? 2 by 5. That's that. Let us do this problem. There are 2 bookshops owned by S and G. In your book it is written Suresh and Ganesh. So I made it as short as S and G. Okay. Their sales in rupees for books in 3 subjects. That's what? Physics, chemistry and maths. For July and August 2017 are given by 2 matrices. You remember? The first introduction of matrices, I said any coordinate point we can write as a matrix, right? So this is one example how they can write your book sales also in the form of the matrix. Okay, so what you are given, so they are selling, the sales for 3 books for the month of July and August. They are given in the form of a matrices. How much? July sales, they give us a physics, chemistry, maths. That means physics, chemistry, maths. First row corresponds to S, that is Suresh. Second row corresponds to G, that is Ganesh. Okay, this is for the month of July. Similarly, for the month of August, physics, chemistry, maths. So this is physics, this is chemistry, this is maths. First row corresponds to S, Second row corresponds to G.
Huh.
You got it? Clear?
Huh.
Now this question, read the question. Find the increase in sale from July to August. What is that?
Okay, subtracted.
Correct. Subtract which with what? B minus A. Correct?
Huh.
So the solution. First solution is increase in sale to B minus A. Correct? Just tell me what it will be.
1050.
1050. Okay, because 1050. 1050 because 6650 minus 5600. And what about this one?
305.
305. Oh, only that much physics book are sold. So sad. What about this?
405.
405. Oh, physics is sold very less. 405.
Huh.
Okay. What about this?
350.
350. And this?
435.
45.
445.
445. Don't take me wrong. I'm not checking. What about this?
1295.
Sure?
I guess I can check. Huh. That's correct.
Correct?
Huh.
Okay, fine. Anyway, you can check it later on also. You just have to subtract these two.
Huh.
So that's what your increase in sales.
Huh.
What about the second question? Now you see the second question. If both the bookshops get 10% profit, okay, you can see this, the thing is minus, right? All are positive.
Huh.
So there's an increase in sales.
Huh.
Okay, the sales increasing. Okay, it's not saying that sales is. So this is during this month, by this sales, what they got 10% of profit in the month of August.
Huh.
So if there's a 10 month, so if they got 10% of profit, find the profit for each bookseller in each subject of that month. How will you do? 10% of all these things.
Huh.
Correct? So that is what?
10 by
Profit equal to 10% is what? 10 by 100 times which matrix? B. Am I right? Because August.
Huh.
So 10 by 100 is 1 by 10 times of B. Tell me what it will be? 1 by 10 times of B? 665.
705.
705.5. 890.5.
700.
700. 750.
1020.
1020. Correct?
Huh.
1020. So that's the answer. So this is the 10% of profit. Okay? Okay? See, if they, this also you can write, but if you want to find out increase in sales, total sales, that means what? This is the increase in sale. Okay? This is the increase in sale from July to August. If you want a total, so this is for physics, chemistry and maths. Oh no, for chemistry, physics is high. Okay, physics, chemistry and maths. So total sales will be sum of all these three, correct? So that will be what? So you can't write like this equal to, because matrix won't be like this. So therefore we can write it as increase in sale for physics. Increase in sale for physics will be how much? Sorry, for month of, what am I saying? For Suresh. For Suresh will be how much? This plus this plus this, right? 1050 plus 305 plus 405. How much this will be, tell me?
1760.
1760, is that correct? Yeah. Rupees. This is rupees. Okay. So increase in sale for Ganesh, G, will be how much? This plus this plus this, correct? 350.
It's 445.
350 plus 445 plus 1295. That will be rupees
2090.
2000.
90.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay?
Huh.
So this is the way if they ask for yeah. Okay? So you can see in the exam you don't write like this, you write like matrix form and then you write individually. Okay, so increase in sale for Suresh is equal to this much, increase in sales for G is equal to this much, and then write individually profit for physics book, profit attained by S for physics book is by step you would write all those things. Okay? You can write a matrix form, but I don't know whether they will give you more. Okay? So with that we will stop today. So tomorrow we will see next exercise. Okay, that will be using matrix multiplication. Okay?